Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of technology, where we'll explore the intriguing differences between artificial intelligence, robotics, and machines that may appear to have AI but don't. In today's video, we'll break down these concepts in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're not a tech expert. Have you ever wondered what truly sets AI apart from robotics? Or why some machines seem intelligent but are simply following programmed instructions? We'll clarify these distinctions, helping you navigate the often confusing landscape of modern technology. From the smart assistants on your phone to the robots in manufacturing plants, each plays a unique role in our lives, and understanding these roles is essential in today's tech-driven world. Throughout this video, we'll engage you with real-world examples and relatable analogies, making complex ideas accessible and enjoyable. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of how AI, robotics, and seemingly intelligent machines differ, and why these distinctions matter. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the gadgets around you, stick around. We promise to make this journey both informative and entertaining. Let's unravel the mysteries of technology together and discover what truly makes machines tick. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and act like humans. At its core, AI encompasses various technologies, with machine learning and neural networks being fundamental principles. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming, while neural networks mimic the human brain's interconnected neuron structure to process complex information. AI's capabilities are vast and continually evolving, leading to transformative applications across numerous fields. One of the most recognizable uses of AI is in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which can understand voice commands, answer questions, and even control smart home devices. Another significant application is recommendation systems, such as those used by Netflix and Amazon, which analyze user behavior to suggest movies, products, or services tailored to individual preferences. The impact of AI extends beyond convenience. It is revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans, while in finance, they help detect fraudulent transactions and optimize trading strategies. As AI continues to advance, its importance in transforming both industries and daily life cannot be overstated. By enhancing efficiency, improving decision-making, and enabling innovative solutions, AI is shaping a future where technology and human capabilities work hand in hand. Robotics is a branch of technology that focuses on the design, construction, operation, and use of robots, machines capable of performing tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Unlike artificial intelligence, which emphasizes the development of systems that can think and learn, robotics is primarily concerned with creating physical machines that can carry out specific functions. This distinction is crucial in understanding how these two fields intersect yet remain separate. Robots come in various forms and serve numerous purposes across different industries. For instance, industrial robots are commonly used in manufacturing settings to automate repetitive tasks such as assembly, welding, and painting, significantly increasing efficiency and precision. On the other hand, consumer-oriented robots, like robotic vacuum cleaners, have gained popularity in households, providing convenience by autonomously cleaning floors without human intervention. While many modern robots incorporate AI to enhance their capabilities, enabling them to adapt to their environment or learn from experience, not all robots utilize artificial intelligence. Some robots operate based on pre-programmed instructions and do not possess the ability to learn or make decisions independently. This means that while robotics and AI can complement each other, they are not synonymous. Understanding this relationship helps clarify the unique roles each plays in advancing technology and improving our daily lives. As we continue to explore the world of robotics, we'll uncover how these machines are shaping the future of various industries and our everyday experiences. In today's tech landscape, many machines appear to exhibit intelligent behavior, yet they lack true artificial intelligence capabilities. A prime example of this is basic chatbots, which are often used in customer service settings. These chatbots can respond to user inquiries and provide information, but they typically operate on a set of pre-programmed responses. When users ask questions that fall outside of these predefined scripts, the chatbot may struggle to provide relevant answers, revealing its limitations. Another common example is automated customer service systems that guide users through a series of menu options. While these systems can efficiently handle straightforward requests, they often falter when faced with complex issues that require nuanced understanding or empathy. This reliance on scripted interactions means that, despite their seemingly intelligent responses, these machines do not possess the ability to learn or adapt like true AI systems. The implications of misperceptions about these machines can be significant. Users may mistakenly believe they are interacting with advanced AI, leading to frustration when the system fails to meet their expectations. This misunderstanding can also impact businesses, as customers may feel dissatisfied with the service provided by these seemingly intelligent systems. By recognizing the limitations of machines that appear to have AI, we can better appreciate the true advancements in artificial intelligence and the unique capabilities it brings to various applications. Understanding these distinctions is essential for navigating the evolving technological landscape. Understanding the distinctions between artificial intelligence, robotics, and machines that mimic AI is essential in today's technology-driven world. Here's a clear comparison of the three categories. Artificial intelligence, AI, focuses on simulating human-like intelligence, enabling systems to learn from data, adapt, and make decisions based on that information. AI-powered technologies are capable of improving their performance over time through continuous learning. Examples of AI include virtual assistants like Siri, which can understand and respond to user queries, recommendation systems that suggest content based on user preferences, and self-driving cars that navigate and make decisions in real time. Robotics is centered on designing and building machines that can perform various tasks, often those that are repetitive or physically demanding. These machines can operate autonomously or semi-autonomously, depending on their level of sophistication. Robotics is widely used in industries such as manufacturing, where industrial robots assemble products, and in specialized applications like robotic arms in surgery or drones for aerial tasks. Non-AI machines, machines that mimic AI, are designed to perform specific tasks without possessing true intelligence. Unlike AI, these machines operate on pre-programmed responses and scripts, which means they cannot learn or adapt over time. Their functionality is limited to the tasks they were explicitly programmed to perform. Examples include basic chatbots that provide scripted answers to common questions and automated customer service systems that follow predefined workflows to assist users. The unique roles of AI and robotics lie in their capabilities. AI excels in processing information and learning from experiences, making it suitable for tasks requiring adaptability and decision-making. Robotics, on the other hand, focuses on the physical execution of tasks, often enhancing efficiency in various industries. Machines that seem intelligent but lack true AI capabilities have significant limitations. They can only respond to predefined inputs and may struggle with unexpected queries or complex situations. This can lead to user frustration and misinterpretation of their capabilities. By understanding these key differences, we can better appreciate the advancements in technology and their implications for our daily lives. As we wrap up our exploration of artificial intelligence, robotics, and machines that mimic AI, let's recap the key takeaways. we've learned that AI focuses on simulating human-like intelligence, enabling systems to learn and adapt through data. Robotics, on the other hand, is all about creating machines that can perform specific tasks, often enhancing efficiency in various industries. Finally, we discussed non-AI machines, which may appear intelligent but operate solely on pre-programmed responses, lacking true learning capabilities. Understanding these distinctions is crucial as technology continues to evolve and integrate into our daily lives. By recognizing the unique roles and functionalities of AI and robotics, we can better appreciate their impact on various sectors and our everyday experiences. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on technology and innovation. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family, who might also be curious about these fascinating topics. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on our channel or website, where you can dive deeper into the world of AI, robotics, and beyond. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content, so let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.